Trevor, we were here,
Yep.
well, not necessarily here 4 years ago, but we spoke to you 4 years ago. You told
did.
us then to watch this space.
Yep.
The business was going to grow. Tell us about what happened between then and now.
Yeah, so pretty much it has grown, and we've managed now to get our own building. We've just purchased 3 more TRUMPF machines, so yeah, everything's going good.
You've invested in the machinery and the building, but you must have had an increase in workflow to be able to put you in that position. Has that been the case?
Yeah, turnover has increased massively. Work is coming in from all angles, machining and laser cutting, folding. So everything's going good, which allowed us to progress to where we are now, yeah.
What interests me about your company is that we travel around many manufacturers, and you often see that they're either focused on machining, they're either focused on fabrication, cutting, laser cutting, whatever it might be. Not often do you come in somewhere where they're quite heavily into both, and that's what you are, aren't you?
Yeah, we started out as a machining company, got into laser cutting. I think the laser cutting is now taking over slightly, but we still emphasise a lot on machining as well. I think as a company, everything gels together.
And so does one feed the other? Do you tend to get
Certainly,
customers
yeah.
where they'll supply you with machining and then you'll need to utilise your TRUMPF machines, or vice versa?
Yeah, so customers like the fact we do both. So we have machining customers that now use us for laser cutting and the other way around, and parts that are laser cut need machining.
And is it fair to say, though, that these machines from TRUMPF are becoming far more sophisticated as time goes on? Will they be able to, in time, do you think, take away a lot of that machining and do it here? I mean, I noticed I said to you earlier, you drilled those holes on the machining centre. You said, no, we do it on the laser cutter.
No, I still think the machine shop is going to be here for the next 30 years, I can see, yeah. I can't see us being without the machining.
Aaron, I've been reliably told that you're the expert when it comes to this new TruLaser 5040.
Yeah.
Why was this the machine that you opted for here?
Well, we've been running the other fibre now for about 3 or 4 years. We've got on great with it, and we was getting the need for cutting bigger things as well, so we've gone for a 4x2 bed size and an extra kilowatt on the output as well.
Tell me about that fibre in your opinion. You say it's gone well for you. What's it done? How's it made your offering different to your customers?
It's enabled us to cut small thicknesses faster and a varied range of material types and thicknesses as well, so it's opened up a lot of doors.
And also, what about things like finishes and smooth edges and things like that?
Yeah, well, the original fibre had the Bright Line technology, which gave us a great edge quality, and this machine has carried on from that really as well.
Do you see the differences in the technology and the improvements being made from TRUMPF over the years as a result of you investing in newer models continuously?
Yeah, definitely. When we got the original fibre 4 or 5 years ago, there was still a few little niggles, but now with this new 6 kilowatt, they seem to have definitely ironed out. It's more reliable.
And that 6 kilowatt, that's more power. So in summary, what does that deliver for your customers now? You've got that little bit more power.
Well, the more power just makes sure the quality is sort of 100% all the time, really. And when you're cutting the thicker stuff, it's more nailed on, really.
So it's great for you and it's great for your customers. It's a win-win, isn't it, across the board?
It still is a win-win, yeah. The beauty for me is now we have 3 machines to pick from, so I can judge which machine does the best job for which material, really.
Ben, you're the area sales manager for TRUMPF in this region. This must be a great installation for you, or a great customer, is it?
Yeah, definitely. It's been certainly to see the progress over the last 4 years, see where they've come from with the 2 press brakes and the 2 lasers, and now seeing the 2 new press brakes and the final 3rd laser, and it's been a real good story.
I want to get into the technical stuff with you about this particular machine. Tell us about the TruBend 5170 and why they went for this. I mean, it seems like quite a big press brake.
Certainly. So Trevor and Aaron had the 2 of the 3 series. The 3 series really are workhorse production machine, fairly typical what you'd see in the UK. Now, what the guys decided to do when reinvesting in the technology was not only increase capacity but also diversify. So with the 5 series, what we actually have here is a machine leaps and bounds above all others with regards to technology. We have technology like the I-axis, which allows us into more diverse jobs into one setup, and also allows stuff like safety hemming and that kind of regards. We also have the ACB technology, and that allows Trevor and Aaron to also add in the extra accuracy and make it all work brilliant.
Wow, okay, so things have definitely moved on. The second machine that's just recently come in is the one there. I can just see the TRUMPF 7036. That's its little brother or little sister, is it?
Well, it's actually a very different machine in itself. So this goes back to what we were saying about diversifying. So in the 5 Series, we obviously have a machine that can do a whole plethora of work, but the 7 Series is designed to do very small bracketry work in a very quick amount of time. Everything about the 7 Series is designed to make the user comfortable and to get through volume.
And the work that they're doing here, this commonplace when you're on your travels around the UK, is it? Are these guys bucking the trend?
I think so. I mean, I think with the 3 Series that they had before, it's a fairly standard installation, but these 2 machines here really are a cut above the rest in technology. And the fact that they've got both at disposal really means they can cover all bases, from small bracketry work up to very, very complicated parts, and then up to the very, very long, high tonnage requirements.
And have you moved into here to give you the opportunity to become even bigger as well? Because you've got quite a bit of land either side.
Yeah, we have room for expansion now. We can extend if necessary. Never know.
You never know. Well,
watch
maybe
this space.
Watch this space in 4 years' time. When we come to companies like yours, we're always intrigued to see how manufacturing is in different parts and pockets of the country. Would it be right in saying that there's a lot of agricultural work within your business that you do around here? Is that a big part of your company and what you do?
Yeah, probably about 20% I would say is agricultural goods that we manufacture.
So what makes up the rest?
Yellow goods, hydraulics, everybody, anything and anything, yeah. Cladding, companies, solar shading, whatever, yeah.
Okay, well, we will watch this space and maybe we'll be back in 4 years or maybe in another place, or this one will be even bigger. Thank you, Trevor.
Hopefully, yeah. Thank you very much, yeah.